This is the 2006 National Invitational Amateur Championship. It was held at the Arcanum Trial Grounds in Ahoskie, North Carolina on December the 15th, 16th, and 17th. It was produced by Gary Ansel, recorded completely off of horseback. The judging standards of this trial, how is it judged?
The judges are looking for a real classy dog, immaculate on the bird work, big forward race, but one that adjusts to the cover. If the course tightens, we expect that the dog will tighten and hunt the area. Consolation, we've got two fine judges. They know bird dogs, and the right dogs will be placed.
There was 12 dogs, high point dogs in the country that was invited to participate in the trial. It took a lot of hard work and just getting the dog qualified to be entered in this trial, and they had to be very classy, extremely good on their birds. They had to be bird finding machines. This is your walking hunting dogs, and they just had to be the best of the best even to get where they had to be here today. Thursday we had the drawing for Friday's running. Then after Friday's running, Rich Waters would redraw the dogs, putting in the different times and different brace mates for Saturday's running. The judges were to call the 4 best dogs over the 2-day running. The judges would pair them up for this callback, which would be an hour and a half. Now the judges are looking for a dog here in the callback that's got a lot of motor, got a lot of stamina, a lot of style, and really have a really good strong race and really handle to the front. The dogs had to keep in real good contact with the handler because the course tightened up and opened up and tightened up, and it was just a really good course for this type of quality of trial.
All I can say, I think you've got a good course here. I like it. That's my opinion. It opens up, tightens up, opens up, tightens up. You know, I think for a walking dog, or maybe even for a horseback shooting dog, that's what it ought to be. I like them like that. Dog needs to adjust to it to look good, you know. Yeah, I see what you mean. Whoa! Come here, come here.
Final 4 dogs represent 4 different states. We've got Johnny Lewis with his Jake dog from the state of Virginia. David Keck with Spur from the state of North Carolina. Bill McNamee from the state of New York with Richfield Silver Bell. He calls call name Sydney. And the final dog is Bobby Leach out of the state of Connecticut with his fine pointer Lidge Hill Lizzie. It's going to be an exciting day. Judges Bobby Kirk and Stephen Eck are having a 1.5 hour callback on the beautiful grounds that Aubrey Morgan has provided for us. Chairman Gary Ansel has done a great deal of work on this trial, and the expectations we have today are for 4 dogs that are going to show both opportunity and stamina. They've had 2 1-hour braces, concluding today with the 1.5 hours. We expect very classy bird work. They're going to have to be absolutely immaculate if they're to be named champion. They're going to have to hit the edges, handle through the cover, and the elusive quail is in for a real test this morning. We've got 4 great dogs.